Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Today I would like to share two deeply divine aspects related to Sri Shirdi Sai Baba, which reveal the immense power of his sacred Abhishek Jal and the touching story behind Baba's bathing stone. This information is based on Sri Sai Sagar. Let us now understand these beautiful divine incidents in detail. There was a middle-aged man named Rambaji from Nasik. Suddenly, he lost his mental balance and began wandering on the streets in a disturbed condition without awareness and even without clothes. He would not listen to anyone and his family was completely helpless, unable to control him. Around that time, Baba's close devotee, Madharao Deshpande, Shama, used to frequently travel to Nasik to visit Saptashringi Mata temple. During one such visit, he happened to go to Rambaji's house. Seeing his painful condition, Shama was filled with compassion and advised the family, take him to Shirdi for Baba's darshan and make him drink Baba's Abhishek Jal. By Baba's grace, he will surely be cured. The family hesitated, explaining that Rambaji would not cooperate and that it would be very difficult to take him to Shirdi. However, realizing that this was their only hope, they gathered courage. With great effort, they tied him with ropes and brought him to Shirdi, accompanied by his mother. Meanwhile, after completing his darshan of Saptashringi Mata, Shama also returned to Shirdi. When Rambaji and his family arrived, Baba was taking his bath in Dwarkamai. They waited patiently for the right moment. At that time, Shama instructed them to make Rambaji drink the water used for Baba's bath and also to pour that sacred water over his head and body. The moment this was done, a miraculous transformation took place. Instantly, Rambaji was completely cured. His madness disappeared and he regained full awareness. Overwhelmed with emotion, he fell at Baba's feet, weeping and seeking forgiveness for his earlier condition. Baba then asked those present to untie the ropes and Rambaji was freed and wore clothes. From that very moment, he became a devoted follower of Sai Baba. Observing all this, Rambaji's mother noticed that Baba was taking his bath without sitting on any proper stone or support. Having witnessed the great power of Baba's Abhishek Jal, she was filled with deep gratitude for her son's miraculous recovery. She offered a stone to Baba so that he could sit comfortably while bathing. Baba accepted her offering and from that day onwards, he used that stone during his bath. It is believed that this sacred bathing stone can still be seen in Dwarkamai even today. This divine incident clearly shows the incredible power of Baba's Abhishek Jal, which has healed many and protected countless devotees. It reveals a deeper truth. Baba can never bear to see his devotees suffer. With his infinite compassion, he always protects, heals, and guides those who surrender to him with faith. Let us always remember Baba, chant his holy name with devotion, and remain under his divine grace. We will meet again in the next episode with another beautiful Leela of Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram.